Hello, fifth graders. Happy Friday. Welcome to our day 4 work on phonics. Right, and our work today will be in our My Word Study book. And our focus article is on page 16. It's called The Legend of the Marigold. Right, you'll read this article at least one time. Remember, good readers often read an article 2 to 3 times, depending on the information that they're looking for. So don't be afraid to reread. It is a short piece of reading. All right, and then we're going to have you focus on a few questions that you can answer in the space underneath this article. Okay, we're going to start with looking for 5 syllables that are closed. Remember, a syllable is a part of a word, okay, and a closed syllable is ended with a consonant. Okay, it's closed in. All right, and then the second question, what did you imagine as you read the legend? How did this help you understand the characters? Then we have, why was the girl turned into a flower? And finally, why are marigolds a special flower in Mexico today? Find evidence to support your answer. All right, so you can find these questions right in the PowerPoint connected to the English pathway, but I will also put these in Schoology under the assignment, so you can look at these questions as you're filling in your book, right? And take advantage of writing on paper versus on the computer.